in front of me a UNV ANPR IP camera, 50 meter IR range, and a varifocal lens going from 4.7 up to 47 millimeters. It's available with free delivery directly from freetv.ie. So this can support up to 1080p up to 60 frames per second. So what I'm going to do here is I'm just going to give an overview of the features on it. But just first of all, like, why would you buy this camera? And this camera is specifically designed for picking up number plates, and with this you can record number plates up to the speed of 30 kilometers an hour. Okay, so it's really fantastic because, you know, if you have an incident at your premises, or, you know, you're trying to record exactly what happened afterwards, the key thing is the ability to be able to pick out the number plate accurately, and that's exactly what this camera is designed to do. So this is the outer box it comes in. The main show here is the camera. There's a base box at the back here, which is obviously just for securing the cables at the back, and there's a number of connections on it here. So the first thing is, like, it's obviously, we'll say, PoE powered, okay? So you have the main connection here, but we also have a range of options on this. I'm just going to go through them very quickly in terms of the cables. So you can actually use this, it truly is a hybrid camera, so you could use it with a BNC connection and an external power unit on it as well. If you want to connect a joystick on it, you have the RS connection there on it, and also then what we have is we've alarm cables here as well. So there's just a number of options in terms of how you can integrate this into an overall security system. So if we look at the main camera here, we'll see that we have the adjustable lens is internal here, and the IR for the 50 meter IR is there as well. Okay, so you'd be controlling the lens setting obviously from the NVR directly itself, but you can use this as a standalone system. So what you'll actually be doing here is you can insert a memory card directly in here, and you can just have it to pick up, and you can have it independently sitting like that as well. So this is one of the high-end cameras we have in the overall range. So what we've tried to do, we'll say, with the UNV itself is, UNV itself has an absolutely excellent range of DVRs, NVRs, IP cameras as well, but it's important to have one of these like that inside of a range. So normally we'll say on a reasonably complicated system, large system, you probably have one camera like this, normally aimed out towards a road or an entrance, somewhere with cars and vehicles will definitely have to go past, and that's the key piece of information you're going to need afterwards anyway. So that's it anyway, an overview of the UNV ANPR IP camera, available with free delivery from freetv.ie.